G'day, I'm here in Concord in the very marginal electorate of Reid in Western Sydney, and we're going to hear from Ken about the benefits of home batteries and ask the local candidates if they'll commit to a federal home battery rebate. Let's go. Hi Joanna Somerville, thanks for coming today. This is Ken Enderby and he's a home solar champion. He can tell you about his home electrification journey.
Thanks very much for inviting me into your home, Ken, to tell me your story.
You're more than welcome. And so basically we've got 12 solar panels on the roof right where we're standing. I've got another 24 on the garage behind me. I've got a heat pump around the corner here. I've got a battery around that corner, and right behind me in the garage I've got an electric vehicle. So I've gone the full route. I am totally electrified and completely using renewable energy. I use no power whatever from the grid, so I'm totally sustainable.
And what made you decide to do that, Ken?
Well, originally just to save some money with the first set of solar panels, which went in 13 years ago. And then we decided to get a heat pump 2 years ago to get rid of gas, save money. Then it kind of rolled on from there. We bought an electric vehicle because our car was getting old and we didn't feel good driving around emitting greenhouse gases. And then we thought, well, we can't power the car. We don't have enough power on the roof here to do it. So we bought all the extra power. And then it just seemed logical to buy the battery after that. And now we sell power into the grid.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
It is, and we're saving over $6,000 a year doing it all. We will pay off the solar panels, the heat pump and the battery in about 5 years.
So Joanna, not everybody can afford to do what Ken has done and make that upfront investment, which is why Solar Citizens is calling on all candidates at this federal government election to commit to a federal home battery rebate. We'd like to hear from you about what the Greens intend.
Well, the Greens do have a policy for a solar battery rebate. It's $5,000 for homeowners with a low interest loan of up to $10,000. And we're also offering a $10,000 rebate for small business with a low interest loan of up to $50,000.
So Joanna, how will the Greens deliver on their battery rebate policy if elected?
The Greens will work with a Labor government and with the independents to implement the policy.
Solar Citizens is non-partisan and we want to see a race to the top and have all candidates and all parties commit to a federal home battery rebate. So would you work with all parties to make that happen?
Absolutely. That's what politics is about. It's to benefit the climate for us as well as to benefit Australians who vote and day-to-day living.
Authorised by Heidi Lee Douglas for Solar Citizens Sydney.